Priya. Big congratulations if you have recently got a job interview call. But what about the next step? What you have thought that you are going to do next? So the next one is preparing about your job. Yes, in this session we are going to talk about few points that is very essential to keep in your mind before you are going to attempt a job interview. In short, I can say that I have few checklists for you for the preparation of a job interview. So going towards it, let's have a look. First one, what I think is very important, reread your resume. Because before you speak before the interviewer or you give your introduction or presentation as an interviewer, so what happens that it is your resume which speaks more. Alright, so if you are not aware about the content which is mentioned in your resume, you are going to get failed. So do read it again and again and keep in your mind all the points that have been mentioned in your resume. So reading it is very essential. Coming to next one, prepare questions to ask or these questions which are going to be asked to you. Yes, there are two segments. First one, those questions that you need to ask the interview. Alright, definitely you must be having few questions in your mind like what kind of designation will be provided to me if I clear this interview or about anything else. Alright, and definitely there will be the section of few questions that the interviewer is going to ask you. So make a separate list and then do your preparation accordingly. It's going to work. Next is dress to impress. You got a job call, so definitely you have to dress yourself well. So inform your wardrobe previously a day before your interview that I need a good formal dress. Yes, and keep it organized a day before, because at the same time when you are going to take a decision, oh my god, what should I wear, what is the right dressing sense for me, so you are going to mess with it. Alright, so it is essential, it is important that you keep the preparation of your dress previously. Coming to next, deal with stress. I can understand how stressful it is. Dealing with a job interview and preparing for it is actually a mind-storming, because I have also gone through the same phase. Alright, it might not your first interview, it may be second or third, but every time the stress is remain there. So what I think, when I have a lot of stress, I deal with it, I just quit. I just stop thinking about the task I'm very much possessed about or I'm very much stressed about. So you may also have your own tricks. You must be loving to go somewhere, or you must be fond of music, something like that. So find your own way to beat the stress, because if the stress level is going to be high, your all preparation is not going to work. So dealing with it initially is very important before you do all these things. Alright, so do it. Read employers literature. You are going to get a job in a company, so it's actually very important that you should have the enough and sufficient information about the organization, what they are and what they want from you. Alright, and what sector they belong to. So carrying the information about the organization is going to help you definitely, because probably you may be asked few questions regarding this section also. So just very mildly go through all the information that the organization is carrying about it. Alright, last one, important point. Get an early night. Tomorrow is a job interview. Don't keep on reciting all the questions and answers and everything regarding a job interview till the last moment. Relax yourself, take a early sleep, early to bed and early to rise, because it is assumed when we are fully awake, then we perform best in the whole day. So take a good sleep, have a sound sleep, and then it is going to be very good of your tomorrow. So do keep all these things in your mind and check it before you go for an interview. If you are preparing in this manner, I assure you that you are going to rock the interview. Bye.